Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the world of air purification with a focus on one of the best air filters. For furnaces available in the market, the Genuine Winix 115115 Replacement Filter A. Now, if you're like me and prioritize clean, fresh air in your home, you'll want to pay close attention to what this filter has to offer. Let's break it down. First and foremost, this replacement filter isn't just any ordinary filter. It's designed by Winix, a trusted name in air purification technology. Well, it boasts a true HEPA filter alongside 4 carbon pre-filters, making it a powerhouse in capturing dust, allergens, and other airborne particles. But what does that mean for you? It means cleaner air to breathe, especially important for those with allergies or respiratory issues. Plus, with its ability to capture particles as small as 0.3 microns, you can rest assured knowing your home's air is truly purified. Now, let's talk compatibility. This filter is specifically designed to fit Winix air cleaner models such as the C535, 53002, P300, and more. So, whether you're looking to replace an old filter or upgrade your existing air purifier, this filter has got you covered. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the performance of this filter, praising its ease of installation, value for money, and, most importantly, its ability to deliver on its promises. With thousands of positive reviews, it's clear that this filter is a fan favorite. So, there you have it, the Genuine Winix 115115 Replacement Filter A, the best air filter for furnaces on the market. With its top-notch filtration technology, easy compatibility, and glowing customer reviews, it's a must-have for anyone serious about clean air in their home. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products you'll love. Until next time, breathe easy.